March 16th, we're out here again, sturgeon fishing or striper fishing. So today, I got Isaac on the boat.
What's going on, everybody?
Keep it bent. So he decided to come with me today, and then we got Rodolfo. Rodolfo is one of my subscribers. He's from Vallejo, and he's been sharing with us, me and Isaac, that you know, he's been fishing since 2016, but he's been learning a lot from us that post videos on YouTube.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool, you know, to hear all this. And you know, he loves fishing himself too. So he has this little aluminum boat. He comes out here every now and then. He's been catching some sturgeon. So we'll see how we do today. It's kind of windy out in the big waters today. The water's kind of choppy.
So we chilling, we in the cut.
So we came over here to a spot where it's nice and calm. Hopefully the wind goes away and we have a better day. We can go back over there and go catch where we usually catch. So we'll see what happens. All right, guys, 12:30. No bites yet. Rogelio had 2 bites. He didn't get to it fast enough, so. All right, it's 12:30. We're getting ready to cook some lunch. So far we haven't got nothing. It's been a slow day for us. Rodolfo, he had 2 pull downs. He didn't get them fast enough. So we're getting ready to have some lunch, and we'll see what happens later on. We're having some hot links with some tortillas. I brought some mayonnaise and some relish. Fish on! Ooh! Oh! He came off!
No way!
Yeah, that was a baby one. He came off. All right, guys, I set the hook. It was a nice little small sturgeon, but he jumped up in the air, landed back, he came off. So it wasn't really a good hook set. I didn't really hook him that good, so I guess that's why he took off. But that's what happens every time you're getting ready to eat. They start biting.
Yes, sir.
What up, Isaac? How is it?
Fire.
Fire.
Absolutely fire. Shout out to you, Raul. Thank you always.
Rodolfo.
Yes, sir.
Was it good or what?
Good, good. Thank you, Raul. Thank you.
Right.
Thanks so much.
All right, guys. Hot links for lunch today. They are good. I love them. My guys like them too, so they're happy, and that's all that matters. Isaac would like to have a quesadilla, so we're making him a quesadilla. Look at that. Look at all that cheese. Huh?
I get custom orders on the boat.
Everything, anything for you, baby.
It's lovely. Chef Raul, I'm telling you, it's all good fishing. You guys don't know what you're missing out on. Look
There
at
you go,
this.
brother.
Custom.
Hey.
On the boat. Come on now. It don't get no better than this. Let's get it.
All right, guys, now Rodolfo, he sees Isaac eating a quesadilla, so now he requested for one. So, so we're making Rodolfo another one.
He's about to jump.
He's about to jump.
Is he sturgeon?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There you go, grab him.
There you go.
Oh, ahí was el botón. All right. Saca el poco para adentro. That's gonna be a nice one. Look at that. Good job, guys. Let's go ahead and measure him. Peace, brother. That's the second one. All right, let's go ahead and measure this one. See how big he is. He is
38 and a half.
nope. 35. 35.
Real chunky, dude.
Real chunky, yeah, he is chunky. This is the second one for the day. Let's go ahead and release them. I like to just toss them in there, man.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing
Nosedive.
Boom.
Hey!
All right, so that was a 35-inch sturgeon. I caught a little baby one earlier, and they just went up in the air, and they just decided to come off the hook, and he took off. So we're still here, relaxing on fishing the bow, relaxing, having a good time.
After lunch, we got some more bites. I don't know what Raul's over here doing, but the sturgeon are liking his bait, so I'm about to rub off on his good luck and see if I can get one too. Enjoying the day. It's beautiful out here. See what we can do.
All right, guys, 1:30. So at 2 o'clock, we're gonna call it. We're gonna go somewhere else. It looks like if the wind kind of died down, so we'll be able to fish Grizzly Bay.
Over there, get
Hopefully we start getting more action.
for sure.
But so far, only 2 little baby sturgeons. One was on, came off, and the other one's a 35-incher. So it's always fun to reel in something, you know. So, right, guys?
I don't know what that's like. I'm over here watching my rod, but I'm about to change the look, y'all. I got to.
Rodolfo has a fish, but his reel broke.
If he runs, I'm screwed.
You got it?
Hold on. Yeah, he's on it. Hold on, he's swimming over to your other line.
Here's the net.
Wait, is he on there? Maybe not.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, he's on there.
Yeah, he's on there for sure. It's a striper.
Striper?
Lift it up. Lift your rod up. Lift your rod up.
Yeah.
Oh.
The big striper, man.
Came off, huh?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, his reel broke on him, and we were not able to reel him in. He came real close to the boat. It happened to be a nice one, but to live another day. So this basically came off from the reel. He was not able to reel it in. See? We have all the line here. Isaac was trying to help him out the best he could, but we lost him. Oh well. All right, we just arrived to the second spot, Grizzly Bay. It is kind of choppy. It's been like that all day, but we gotta give these guys a chance to catch some fish. There's only 2 boats out here. We are the third one. Guys, we decided to come back when we we originally started. We went out to Grizzly Bay. It was kind of choppy, it was fishable, but we spent about an hour, no bites. So turned around, came back over here, and
Over here getting some striper taps.
Isaac just got a pull down right now. So we'll finish the day out here. We're planning to fish to about 6:30, 7 o'clock, and hopefully we land a nice sturgeon.
That's the goal.
Waiting for the incoming tide. Right now the boat's just idle, just shifting. So once it turns, it's 4:30 right now. Once it turns, we'll probably have a good 2 hours to fish. So far, just those 2 sturgeon and that striper that got away. All right, guys, so it's 6:45. We got here about 8 o'clock this morning. We got hungry again, so I got the barbecue going again. We're cooking the rest of the hot links I brought and some quesadillas. So it was, you know, it was tough out here today, but it's windy everywhere, and this slough is the only one that's not windy. So we decided to come back over here, and right now the tide is still not fully turned. It's incoming tide. We got about an hour. Actually, we're gonna go ahead and have dinner.
Yeah.
And hopefully we stick one.
Staying positive. It's been a long day out here, staying out of the wind, but hopefully we can find a hungry fish.
Yep.
This the best action Keep It Bent done had all day right here, y'all. You see this? Shout out to Raul. Good old link. Tortilla. Scrumptious. Nice and hot.
How you like the hot links, Rodolfo?
Oh yeah, man. It's good.
Pretty good, huh?
Raul. Thank you so much again.
All right.
Thank you for food.
They're always good. All right, guys, 6:45. We're calling it a day. We're picking up.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this. This is how my day has been, y'all.
We fished with ghost shrimp today, and water temperature out here was 55 degrees. So it's just the wind. The wind is the one that killed us. Weatherman was wrong. He said there was no wind today, but it was windy. Luckily, we have this slough here where we could come here and just try our best. Thank you for coming with me.
Thank you again, Raul. Absolutely beautiful day out here, y'all. You guys go check out my channel if you get a chance. Keep It Bent outdoors. Thank you always, Raul, getting me out on the boat. Beautiful out here. You don't always get the fish, but always enjoyed a good time with good people, y'all. So thank you for Raul. Nice to meet you, Rodolfo.
Nice to meet you.
We had a good day out here.
And I also want to thank Rodolfo for coming with us.
Thank you, Raul. Thank you, man.
Again, he's my subscriber. He reached out to me. He wanted to come out here and fish with us, so we made it happen. We had a good time, had a good lunch and dinner.
For sure.
So until next time, thanks for watching. It's all good fishing.